Guys, welcome to our channel.
And we're gonna do the try not to sneeze challenge with a Q-tip in your nose.
Okay, we're gonna start, right? It's gonna be 30 seconds, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let me see. No, I will press it when the time is done. Okay, now we're gonna start.
3,
1, 2,
3.
3.
Oh God. Okay. Okay, this is hard. Yo. I'm about to sneeze. Yes, I won!
Oh, he win. Oh my God.
I won!
Now it's my turn. Now it's gonna be my turn, okay?
3, 2, 1, go. Yo, your nose is hairy. Your nose is hairy.
Oh my God. Just stop. Really?
Yes, you can. Your nose is hairy.
Yeah! No, don't get me wrong though. He always, he almost made me sneeze, but the way how I was laughing, so that's why he made me not to sneeze. But I was about this close to lose though.